Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty Time. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make banga soup. Banga and starch is what I will be making today. So these are my ingredients for soup. Maybe at the later of the day, so I'm going to show you guys how to make starch. So it's going to be attached with this video. So guys, without wasting much of your time, these are all my ingredients. Over here I have some dried microfish here, some chicken. Over here is my it's my beef. I have my seasoning for banga is here. I also have one no cube here. Over here is the banga which I'm going to be using. This one is Ghana fresh premium, so I will be using this. So over here is my pepper and crayfish. In here I have salt. While in here I have my seasoning. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be using that seasoning to season my meat. I'm going to take my meat directly to the pot. My pot is already on the gas. I'm going to turn on my gas and season it with my our soup is already thick. Looking so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. I can't wait to eat it with my starch. So over here is my dry scent leaf, so I'm going to add it, which is the last which I'm going to be adding. So in the next 5 minutes it's done. Delicious, delicious, guys. It looks so delicious. So what we are going to be doing now is just to focus on the starch. So while this one is, okay guys, then let's go and make the starch. It's my starch. So I have some clean water here. What I'm going to do now is just to wash my hands. Now that my hands is washed, then I'm going to be adding some water to it. And I'm just going to mix it. I will be adding a little bit of more water. Not too thick and not too light. So the next stage now is to scoop in a little bit of oil into it. So I will be adding a little bit of oil. So this is the oil which I'm going to be adding. While we go over to the gas. So over here is our soup. So they are going to turn on the other gas so that we can shift the soup over to the next. So I'm going to be taking this one over here where we can able to work here. So I'm just going to continue turning. So guys, from this moment I will not be talking. Please guys, just bear with me so I can concentrate on my starch, because starch you need to concentrate. If not, it's going to, I think I'm going to add a little bit of water because the mixture is a little bit thick. Guys, I just quickly want to show you guys this step. Look at, so the starch was too strong, so what I did was to add some water. So I already added some water, so I'm going to leave it for some minutes then before turning it, just like the way we turn our pounded yam and up, just the same thing. So I'm going to start now by just turning it. I will show you guys the finishing part. Guys, our starch is ready. So what I'm going to do now is just to wrap it. This is the starch. This is the starch, guys. This is the starch. So guys, our starch is ready. Now we are going to dish out the soup. This is our banga soup. It looks so yummy, so delicious. And what I normally said in all my videos, if you know you are hungry, my address is at the description below. So just come in quick and you will meet us there. And if this is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share, and the Lord God will bless you. Thank you also so much for your support, for your love, for your kindness. For those of you that be sharing my video, I say may the good Lord bless you. For those of you that also subscribe, I say may the good Lord bless you. For those of you that always come to watch me, that does not leave comment, I say may the good Lord bless you. Thank you also so much. You guys are amazing. You guys are wonderful. Thank you also so much. I really appreciate you guys. So this is the end finishing part of our banga and starch. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed, guys. Bye bye, and see you in my next video.